Get ready to rev your engines because Elon Musk just dropped a bombshell. The second Tesla CyberTruck Gigapress has arrived in Texas, and things are about to get seriously electrifying. This cutting-edge, sci-fi-inspired vehicle has been turning heads since its mind-blowing debut in 2019. With its angular lines and futuristic design, it's like a ride straight out of a dystopian blockbuster. But guess what? The wait is almost over. Thanks to the arrival of the second Gigapress, weighing a mind-boggling 9,000 tons, the Cybertruck is hurtling towards reality faster than ever. This massive machine, courtesy of Idra, is a game-changer, revolutionizing the production process. Let's talk about it in detail. Recently, more components from Idra, the renowned Italian manufacturer, have made their way to the Lone Star State. Packed inside those mysterious boxes were the key to unlocking a new era of production: die-casting machines. These extraordinary machines are the secret sauce behind creating high-quality, lightweight metal parts. But wait, there's more. Shipping records reveal that numerous crates filled with die-casting machinery were also dispatched to Gigafactory, Texas. It's like a treasure trove of innovation. Now let's talk about these jaw-dropping Gigapress machines. Picture this. Tesla has the power to fashion entire body panels for the Cybertruck in one seamless piece. No welding required. Not only does this result in a lighter vehicle, but it also streamlines the manufacturing process, benefiting both Tesla and its passionate customers. And guess what? With the arrival of the second Gigapress, Tesla is ready to kick production into high gear. They mean business when it comes to meeting the insatiable demand for the Cybertruck. The latest Idra parts have landed, and soon they'll be making their grand entrance at the Gigafactory. Tesla's track record speaks for itself. They waste no time in turning dreams into reality. Remember when the first Gigapress arrived at Giga, Texas? It was like witnessing a scene straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster. Drone operators caught glimpses of this massive machine being installed through a window, providing us a tantalizing peek into the captivating world of Tesla's Cybertruck production. But sadly, the windows were swiftly covered, leaving us in eager anticipation of what's to come. But that's not all. Tesla's collaboration with Idra goes even further. Brace yourself for the arrival of an army of KUKA robots, ready to assist in the assembly process. Tesla means business when it comes to building the future. And hiring? Well, they're not holding back. Tesla is actively seeking talented individuals to join their workforce, with job postings popping up left and right. It's a testament to their commitment to Cybertruck production and the promising future that lies ahead. Now, let's dive into the world of Gigapress machines and their game-changing impact on the electric vehicle industry. These magnificent machines have become the backbone of Tesla's manufacturing process, enabling them to produce large and intricate castings at an unprecedented pace. So, how do these Gigapress machines work their magic? It all starts with the injection of molten aluminum into a steel mold under high pressure. This process swiftly molds the aluminum into the desired shape of the part. With a swift opening of the mold, the finished part emerges, ready for the final touches and assembly. The beauty of these Gigapress machines lies in their ability to create large parts in a single seamless piece. In the past, Tesla had to painstakingly assemble multiple smaller parts to form a larger one, which was not only time-consuming, but also costly. However, thanks to the Gigapress machines, Tesla can now produce large parts with exceptional precision and speed, enhancing the overall efficiency of their manufacturing process. But that's not all. These mighty machines have also significantly reduced the need for welding and other joining processes. The parts created by the Gigapress machines boast superior strength and durability, requiring less assembly work. This means fewer parts to produce and a streamlined production line, resulting in enhanced manufacturing efficiency. The impact of the Gigapress machines on the Cybertruck's future is immense. Tesla's commitment to innovation and advanced manufacturing technology has positioned them at the forefront of the electric vehicle revolution. By embracing these machines, Tesla has unlocked a new era of manufacturing, where efficiency, precision, and durability merge seamlessly. Let's take a closer look at the remarkable advantages offered by the Gigapress machines and the significant impact they have on Tesla's production line. One of the standout benefits is their incredible speed. These mighty machines can churn out large parts in a matter of minutes, a feat that outshines traditional casting methods by a long shot. This newfound speed has allowed Tesla to supercharge its production line, enabling them to produce more vehicles in less time. With a reduced backlog of orders and the ability to meet the soaring demand for their electric vehicles, Tesla is swiftly making its mark in the industry. This colossal machine boasts an awe-inspiring capacity of 9,000 tons, making it the largest and most powerful gigapress machine in the world. Designed with the Cybertruck's unique and futuristic aesthetics in mind, this beast of a machine specializes in creating large and complex aluminum parts. The CyberTruck itself has become a sensation, captivating the electric vehicle market with its groundbreaking design and poised to become a fierce competitor in its segment. However, the intricacy of the CyberTruck's design has posed challenges in production. The acquisition of this cutting-edge gigapress machine aims to address this obstacle head-on. Armed with unrivaled speed and precision, it can manufacture large and intricate aluminum parts with ease, accelerating the production process significantly. This technological leap ensures that Tesla can fulfill the immense demand for the Cybertruck while reducing the backlog of orders that eager customers have been patiently waiting to receive. But there's more to the story. The new gigapress machine not only accelerates production, but also elevates the quality of the parts. With its unparalleled accuracy and consistency, it produces parts that are stronger and more durable than ever before. This means fewer repairs and replacements, saving both time and money for Tesla and its customers alike. It's a win-win situation, where efficiency and longevity harmoniously coexist. Now, let's shine a spotlight on the mastermind behind these remarkable machines, IDRA Group. As a global leader in high-pressure die-casting machines, IDRA brings over 70 years of expertise to the table. Founded in 1946 by Paolo Zanardi, IDRA started with the manufacturing of small machines for zinc and aluminum die casting. Over the years, the company expanded its reach, ventured into new markets, and pioneered innovative casting technologies. Today, IDRA is renowned worldwide for its high-quality gigapress machines, which have set new standards in precision and efficiency for large-scale castings. The partnership between Tesla and IDRA marks a significant milestone in the evolution of automotive manufacturing. With IDRA's expertise and Tesla's vision, the gigapress machines have become a force to be reckoned with. They are not only transforming the way vehicles are made, but also setting new benchmarks for speed, precision, and quality in the industry. Let's uncover the key elements that contribute to IDRA's success, their commitment to research and development being at the forefront. With a team of dedicated engineers and technicians, IDRA relentlessly pursues cutting-edge technologies while improving existing ones. They collaborate with universities, research institutes, and customers to identify emerging trends, develop innovative solutions, and enhance machine performance. This unwavering focus on R&D has been instrumental in shaping IDRA's path to success. Another pivotal factor in IDRA's triumph is their strong emphasis on sustainability. The company is deeply committed to reducing its environmental footprint across operations and products. Their gigapress machines are specifically designed to consume less energy and produce minimal waste compared to traditional casting methods. This sustainable approach makes IDRA's machines an eco-friendly choice for mass production. Moreover, IDRA actively engages in recycling and waste reduction programs, advocating sustainable practices in all aspects of their business. IDRA's client base consists of some of the world's leading companies in automotive, aerospace, and electronics industries. With a robust presence in Europe, Asia, and North America, IDRA continues to expand its global reach. Their success stems from their ability to deliver high-quality products and services tailored to the specific needs of their customers. In recent years, IDRA has established a strong partnership with Tesla, emerging as a key supplier of gigapress machines for electric vehicle production. IDRA's success in the high-pressure die casting industry is rooted in their unwavering commitment to innovation, quality, and sustainability. Their focus on R&D and dedication to sustainable practices have empowered them to develop cutting-edge technologies that meet the evolving needs of their customers. With the rising demand for electric vehicles, IDRA's partnership with Tesla is poised to revolutionize the automotive industry, creating new opportunities for growth and innovation in the years to come. As Tesla expands its product line and continues to grow, it is highly likely that the company will invest in new and advanced manufacturing technologies, such as the Gigapress machines. These machines have not only allowed Tesla to produce environmentally friendly vehicles, but also vehicles that are stylish and innovative. The addition of the Gigapress machines to Tesla's manufacturing process has the potential to be a game-changing move, further solidifying Tesla's position as a leader in the electric vehicle market. So, how excited are you for the Tesla CyberTruck on a scale of 1 to 10? Share with us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, show us some love by hitting that like button and leaving a comment down below. Also, if you're a fan of all things technology, be sure to check out this other video we've got lined up for you. It's packed with all the latest news, tips, and tricks to keep you ahead of the curve.